We are not just our behavior. We are the persons managing our behavior. So friends, learn how to manage behavior and behave properly towards others. I am Biswajit. I am a math educator. Today we are going to learn about median. Statistics in class 10. We have already discussed me and some important questions about me. Today we will do some important questions in median with concepts. So let us start with median. So first I would like to discuss what a median means. Median means it is the middle value of the distribution. If observations given, first we arrange these observations in ascending or descending order, then we find the middle value. So to find the medians, first we see the given medians are in individual series or discrete frequency distribution or grouped or frequency distribution. So there are three types of things where we find medians. First one is in individual series, then second discrete frequency distribution, third grouped or continuous frequency distribution. So in individual series, first, what are the formulas related to this series? First, in individual series, the number of observations given, first we arrange it in ascending or descending order, then you find a middle value. So if the numbers are odd, then there is a formula, that is n plus 1 by 12th term. n plus 1 by 12th term will be the median. But if the observations are even, then we get two middle values. Then how to find the medians? So here the formula is n by 12th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term by 2. That means you have to find the AM of these two terms. Okay, it is for individual series. We will do some questions. Then first we learn formula. In discrete frequency distribution. In discrete frequency distribution means frequency given, observations given. Then how to find? First to find n by 12th term. Just take the term greater than this, the value greater than n by 2, and that corresponding observations will be the median. Okay, we'll do some questions related to this. Then grouped or continuous frequency distribution. Grouped or continuous frequency distribution is class interval given, frequency given, then how to find? For this we have to find the cumulative frequency, CF. So there is a formula to find the median. For this, the formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, that is median. So this formula will apply and do some important questions which will come in the board exam. So let us start. Question number 1. Marks given, find the median. 32, 34, 38, 48, 30, 24, 27, 35, 28. So there are 9 observations here. First we arrange in ascending or descending order. Okay. Ascending order, if we write in ascending order, first will be, it is 21, second 24, third 27, then 32, 34, 35, sorry, it is 30 given, 30, 32, 34, 35, 38, then 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 observations given. 9 means it is odd. So what will be the median here? Odd means there is a formula for odd. We have to find n plus 1 by 12th term. N plus 1 by 12th term. N is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. So we can write 9 plus 1 by 12th term. So it will be 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 means it is 5th term. 5th term. 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 32 is the median. So median is equal to 32. So this is the first answer, because the number of observations is odd. So for odd, we have to find n plus 1 by 12th term. So n plus 1 by 12th term is n plus 1 by 2 5th term. So from starting 5th term is our median. Okay. Next question. Daily wages given. You see daily wages given. First we have to write in ascending or descending order. If we write in ascending order, you see first will be 11, then 14, then 15, sorry 9, first 9, 9, 11, 14, 15, 17, 18, 9, 8, 9, 11, 14, 15, 17, 18, then 20 and 22, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are even number of observations. So here n is even. So for even there is a formula. We have to find n by 12th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. That is median. So n by 12th term means here it is 10, 10 by 2, 10 by 2 th term plus 10 by 2, 10 by 2 5 plus 1 6th term divided by 2. Here you see 5th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th term 15 plus 17. So 15 plus 17 upon 2, that equal to 32 by 2, 16. So 16 is our median. Okay. Here first question, there are odd number of terms. Second, there are even number of terms. So first n by 12th term, sorry n plus 1 by 12th term. The second we have to find using this formula. Okay. Next, third question. You see in third question, it's a discrete series. Find the median of the following frequency distribution. Discrete series given, x given, you see x and f given. X given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Frequency given 8, 10, 11, 16, 20, 25, 15, 9, 6. So for this discrete series, we have to find first n by 2. So n means sum of this one. You see frequency, add this one. First we add 15, 15, 30, 55, 75, 16, 91, 91, 22, 102, 102, 100, 12, 8, 120. Okay, n equal to 120. Okay, if n equal to 120, we have to find n by 2. 120 by 2, that equal to 60. 120 by 2, that is 60. You see here 60 means first we find CF. You see here 60. CF, it is 8, 18, 29, 45, 65, 90, 105, 114. Now is 120. So last is equal to this one. 120 by 2, 60. 60 means n by 2, 60. We have to find the value which is greater than 60. If 60 is here, then you can directly find, and otherwise you can find n by 2, the number greater than 60. The number greater than 60 is here, 65. So the observation is this one, 5. So median is 5. Clear? First to find, write x, then f, total it. Then find CF. CF is cumulative frequency. If we write first frequency, then add this one, we will get this one. Then add this one, we will get this one. Then add this one, we will get this one. This process, last will be equal to the sum of frequency. Okay? Then you have to find n by 2. N is 120. 120 by 2, that is 60. And take more than 60. More than 60 here, you CF column, cumulative frequency is 65. So 65, the observation is 5. So 5 is the median. Okay? This is for discrete series. Next. Calculate the median. Class given, frequency given. Group frequency distribution. Okay? Here, class given and frequency given. F, you can write F5 or you can write AF also. Clear? So it is given 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and 40 to 45. Frequency 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 4, 2 and 2. Okay. Now what to do? In continuous frequency distribution, first define CF, cumulative frequency. Okay. So write 5 plus 6 11 plus 15 26 plus 10 56 41, then it is 45, then 47, 49. Okay. This total you see, you can write sigma f or n. You can write it is 49. N is also 49. Okay. You can write sigma f or n. Clear? You see. So to find the median in class frequency, continuous frequency distribution, there is a formula. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. So first you have to find n by 2. N is given 49. So n by 2 equal to 49 by 2. That is equal to 24.5. In cumulative frequency column, you see 24.5. 24.5 means you have to take more than that, more than this value. This is 26. Clear? This is 26. So this observation in this group, corresponding part of this one, you take this one as F. Clear? And L will be lower limit. 15 will be L. And CF will be preceding one. You see, preceding one, that is 11. 11 is CF. Clear? And what is H? H is difference between this one. You can write 25 minus 15, that is 5, that is H. Clear? So here you write L equal to 15, CF is equal to 11, n by 2 equal to 24.5, F equal to 50. Okay. Now put the value in this formula. L 15 plus n by 2 24.5 minus CF, CF 11 upon F, F is 15 into H, H is 5. So you see 15 plus this one 13.5 by 15 into 5. So 15 plus 5 3 is 13.5 by 3. 3 4 to 12.5. So that is 19.5. So 19.5 is the median. Okay. So this question, this type of question will come in the board exam. So now see, write it down. Last question here. If the median given 46, find the missing frequency. Missing frequency is here x, y, missing frequency. Okay, median given is equal to 46 given, and frequency distribution given variable class interval. You can write class interval here also. Then frequency 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Okay. Then frequency 12, 30, x 65, y 25, 18, and total given sigma f 230, or you can write n equal to 230. Clear? You have to find first CF. To find the median, first we find CF. CF, write 12 plus 30, it is 42, plus x, 42 plus x, and write 107 plus x, and write 107 plus x plus y, then add this one 132 plus x plus y, this will be 150 plus x plus y. So you see, last one is equal to this one. So 150 plus x plus y is equal to 230. That implies x plus y equal to 230 minus 150. That implies x plus y equal to 80. Okay, equation. This is equation, x plus y equal to 80. Now, median value given 46. So what is the formula of median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So you see, median given 46. 46 means 46. The number is in between 40 and 50. So in this group, so corresponding part you see, this is F, 40 will be L, this is F, and the previous one, this one will be CF. Clear? Okay. Now see, median value given 46 equal to L is 40 plus n by 2. N is given 230, 230, n by 2, 230 by 2, it is 115. Okay, 115. So put here 115 minus CF. CF is 42 plus x. Minus 42 plus x means minus 42 minus x upon F. F is 65 into H. H is difference, it is lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit 10. Cap is 10. 10 here. Now, implies, you see, 46 minus 40. 6. Take this one to left side. 46 minus 40. 6 is equal to 73. Okay. Minus 73 minus x. 65 into 10. So 5 2 is 530. Now you see, this 78 is equal to 2 into 146 minus 2 into x, 2x. Okay. Now you see, take 2x here, 146 minus 78. That implies 2x equal to 8, then 68. So x equal to 68 by 2 equal to 34. X 34. Now put the value in equation 1. X plus y equal to 80. That implies 34 plus y equal to 80. That implies y equal to 80 minus 34. That equal to 46. So 34 is x and 46 is y. Okay. So this question is very important. So practice these questions.